We're going to return to the Prince Harry story and to the High Court, where today most of Prince Harry's case against the Sun newspaper, where he said they hacked his phones on a serial basis for a long time, for many, many years, that was thrown out. And the judge said that one of his stories lacked plausibility and cogency. So quite a humiliating day for Harry. Let's talk to our man on the spot, talkTV correspondent outside the High Court, Nick Ellaby. Afternoon, Nick.
Good afternoon, Kev.
Yeah, quite a day today. As I said earlier, it's hard to imagine a more stinging decision by a judge than the Judge Timothy Fancourt handed down to Harry today. I mean, he accepted that some of these alleged illegal methods being used to get stories about him could go on, could proceed to trial, but the main tranche of it, phone hacking, he said that could not proceed. And when Prince Harry said that the reason he delayed his action, because some of these alleged offences date back to the 1990s, he said, well, the reason I delayed it is because I didn't realise that the royal family had made a secret pact with News Group, the newspaper company that owns the Sun, actually owns talkTV as well. The judge said, no, you cannot take that to court because your story lacks plausibility and cogency. A really stinging put down.
Yeah, that's right. It is a blow for Prince Harry today. As you say, the phone hacking part of that claim against News Group newspapers and the Sun journalists has been thrown out. Prince Harry's claim of phone hacking against the Sun really hinged on a couple of things, as you've mentioned. The time. When did Harry know that he had a case to bring, and why didn't he bring that case earlier? Now, the News of the World, so part of News Group newspapers, admitted and apologised for phone hacking, now defunct. That was back in 2012. And the judge argued today that Harry really could have made some basic inquiries and found out he did have a claim against the Sun. Harry's lawyers tried to amend the case by saying that there was this secret agreement between News Group newspapers and Buckingham Palace, which prevented them bringing the case. Now, Harry actually made allegations that his own grandmother, the late Queen, was involved in that secret agreement, and that he claims as well that Prince William settled a large sum with News Group newspapers, but the judge today ruling that there was no way that Harry could prove that in court. So News Group have come out and said, look, it's a significant victory for us. We're looking to draw a line under those historic claims, allegations, that some of which date back well over 20 years. But it has been ruled that Prince Harry can bring other parts of his claim against journalists from the Sun, and those include blagging, which is using unlawful methods to get information to print stories about Prince Harry. Now, those claims will go to court either in January or in January 2025.
Good work, Nick. Thank you very much for your time. That was Nick Ellaby, talkTV correspondent outside the High Court today, where Harry had a day of humiliation.